Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today we are going to talk about the CFDs, another poor man's way to futures and options market. Lots of surprises here. If you take your trading seriously, you might be wanting to watch this. First off, the charts I'm about to show you are found in the Quant Analytics membership here under Store at quantlabs.net. On top of that, just click on this Quant Analytics membership here, and then that will take you to this guy, and you can subscribe right now for $47 at its cheapest that you'll ever get. The price will be going up on Friday or Monday depending upon how things roll. So here it comes up. Anyways, let me show you. So this is the section here. If you want to know more about tutorial videos in this video or this service, click on here in the blue. You can always subscribe here, and it's only, as I said, $47 a month. This is one of 3 asset classes that we can watch. So yesterday I posted the overall where's your best place to invest right now. This is according to Awanda. What I did was I put up a post here on quantlabs.net on the blog. Today's optimal defense safety havens, including stock index download. So here, a sample of the download. Right here, what this was yesterday. Everything's the same except gold. So here's the order that was posted yesterday. So we have all US Treasury, France Stock Exchange, German Bund. There's also the UK as well. Australia's Stock Exchange, but the best one right now, oddly, is the French one. And then follow is the China top stock 50, out of the top 50, the gold silver ratio, and then gold. Okay, so everything's going defensive. So this is what I generated today. Okay, and this is based on trend, long-term trend. All right, so this is an order for a variety of things. So as you can see here, as the markets do well, the market, you have a negative trend, but you can see everything's starting to move higher. That's US Treasury 30-year. And again, tight range, but you'll see the performance has been really steady. As you can see here since the beginning of the year, these different views. So that's the 30-year Treasury. Next one up we have is the US 5-year. Look at this sudden performance rise right here over the last few days. That's pretty compelling as the markets start to go defensive, and safety havens is Treasury right now. You can see here on the short-term 5-year doing pretty good overall on the 180 or 6-month view as well. So this is where capital is going. Next one up we have this is the strange one. France, top 40. I think it's a CAC, but a steady trend up. Just hitting that trend, but you can see these sudden moves up, comes off, and it moves back up. So this might be one to definitely watch. It is now historically overvalued, but if you get better performance, why not? And again, above positive momentum as well. So that is good there. Look at this big move right here. That would have been 5-6 days ago. Next up, we have UK 10-year Bund. Look at this performance right there over the last few days. And again, it's overvalued, but it'll drop back. But these are the ones to definitely watch for as a safety haven. Here's your 90-day view, 30-day view, and then we get into the 2-year as well. Not as steep as a 5-year, but still pretty good. Doing very well. With a strong decline trend, but above trend, as you can see, and then steadily up for the last couple of months, 90 days steadily up as well. And this, of course, is from Awanda CFDs, but this is can be probably most likely applied to the general futures and commodity market. With a 10-year bond right now, it has been steadily moving up with the just sudden rise up here. Boom, boom. I mean, these are incredible steep moves that you should not ignore. More. Now we're going to get into trade war and who it impacts. Here's the 10-year. Again, similar to the 5-year Treasury. Look at that. These are big moves up, not to be ignored. Multiple areas to invest into or opportunity. But if the markets turn back up, then obviously these trades will be off. The Australian's doing fairly well, surprisingly as well. And these are daily charts. So these are the ones to watch. 90-day. So this one's come off a little bit. 30-day view. Now we get into the one I wanted to show, China. It's been on a kind of a weird trend, steadily up. Don't know why the U.S. markets are not performing as well. I think they're kind of probably overvalued, and generally the West is looking for other alternatives. So China is definitely one that they look at, China 50. Now we get into that I've mentioned this before. The this is the gold-silver ratio. Been a steady incline, not as high as you would expect compared to something like the Treasury, but I'm telling you, man, look at this just recently, last 4 or 5 days. I'll show you that in the next 30-day view. I mean, these are big moves up right there, big ones. That's the gold, silver, and lastly, here's gold as well. Is that still no? So now we have gold here. Look at this sudden massive rise just right there. Just moving up, all gold. Look at these moves. They're just massive. It's overbought, so it's going to come back down most likely. Yeah, it did come back down. But if the markets keep turning, then we won't know what will happen. This move will continue. Just depends upon the trade deal between the U.S. and China. And then we have also India, 50. Not as, I mean, it's a steady trend up, so it's not too bad. Just want to show you that. There's probably another one I can look at as well. So again, that's based on trend. And let me just see what we else have here. We have one more I can show you. I hope. I guess that's the only one I have. Oh, no. No, that's the crypto. So I'll do that in another video. I just wanted to show you that. Pretty interesting stuff. You should not be missing these opportunities because these are really good to watch. That's all I want to show you. Give me a second here. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll be doing another one on crypto. Crypto's doing really well too. Have a good day.